concrete. Yeah, go back to Roman times. Concrete. Yeah, that's ancient history. Right. Okay. So today's thinking about poster presentations. So the aim is to how to make the best of a poster presentation session of a conference, from preparation to poster to display and talking to other researchers. Provided this is working the right way, not turning it off. Yep. So that's what we're looking at today. Everyone had a chance to poll on that, or is still polling? Well, they talk about, we've got some people doing post presentations as well, 50-50 now. So all signs get in along the system. That could be just 2 people, of course. So once you logged into this one, the next one will be slightly easier. So everyone here want to vote or voted on the system? So there's a good split between those who like to present a paper orally and those who like to do a poster presentation. The next question we'll move on to is a more free text. Imagine you submitted an abstract to give a paper at a conference. It's an important conference, but you've been asked to do a poster instead. How would you feel? So there might be those who love posters might be ecstatic. Those who love oral presentations might be a bit miffed. How do you actually feel? That's one straight away, relieved. Okay. Someone doesn't like presenting. Okay. We'll have to do another session on presentations. I can see it coming. And I can feel it coming on that one. Okay. So anything else? Just literally type text in, and it should come up on screen. So we don't get anything besides relieved. Doesn't be long. Good. Nice short sentences. Good. Limited, understanding, providing. Quite sure where that's going from. That looks like a sentence rather than else.
Yeah, I wrote limited in providing understanding.
Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Okay. Zora, have you managed to do that? Not sure. Let me just kind of. Okay. So to a certain extent, some people feel relieved, or you understand why there might not be the possibility of having a moral presentation. There is sometimes a feeling that a poster is almost like second class. So the thing about an oral presentation, you get to speak to the audience of 200, 300, 500. You also why a lot of people probably feel relieved. So the theory behind it is interesting. And there was people feel miffed. I want to present that. I want everyone to know what I was doing. But sometimes the poster can be more beneficial. There are things behind a poster that are more talking to people one-to-one. People who come to your poster will be those who are interested in the topic you're presenting your research in. Presenting the whole audience is very much a scattergun approach. It's like firing a shotgun at something. You can hit the barn door, but it won't disintegrate. There'll be lots of pepper shots everywhere. Same with the audience. You're not necessarily knowing what your audience is interested in. So it might be in a big conference, there are probably about 20 or 30 people interested in your topic, out of an audience of 500, whereas the poster presentation, you get closer to them. So actually, first of all, what is a poster? So it's very much this large sheet of paper we put up on a poster conference. This is from online. I'll give you the links later on. It's really about, Swan's actually talked to little posts and blogs about design poster conferences. It's basically a big bit of paper. What you do on that big bit of paper is really what we're actually looking at discussing today. So there are some things that are good to put in a big bit of paper, other things that are not good to put in. Wrong way, wrong one. So, looking now a little bit about what makes a good poster. What we do look at first is look at the essence of what makes a good poster, then move on to giving you some examples. You then have a look at yourself from previous students and staff, say what you think about them or how they could be made better.